Join me as I dive deep into the world of ACHR stock and try to figure out what's really going on with it. ACHR, or Archer Aviation, is a company that's been making waves in the electric vertical takeoff and landing, or eVTOL, industry. They're working on developing aircraft that can take off and land vertically, like helicopters, but with electric propulsion. This tech has the potential to revolutionize the way we travel, especially in urban areas. Archer Aviation is definitely a company to keep an eye on. The eVTOL industry has been facing some tough times lately, with many companies struggling to meet regulatory requirements and scale up production. Archer Aviation is no exception, with their stock price experiencing some significant fluctuations. One of the main concerns is the company's ability to secure funding to continue developing their aircraft. They're not alone in this struggle, but it's definitely a challenge they're working to overcome. Another challenge facing Archer Aviation is the intense competition in the eVTOL space. With companies like Joby Aviation and Lilium Aviation vying for market share, Archer needs to stay ahead of the game. They're working hard to differentiate themselves through innovative designs and partnerships with major airlines. Whether or not their strategy will pay off remains to be seen. The company's specific issues are also worth mentioning. For instance, Archer Aviation has faced some delays in their testing and certification process. This has led to some frustration among investors, who are eager to see the company make progress. Despite these setbacks, Archer Aviation remains committed to pushing forward and achieving their goals. Archer Aviation's financial reports have been a mixed bag. While they've secured some significant investments, they're still burning through cash at a rapid rate. Their industry analysis suggests that the eVTOL market is poised for growth, but it's unclear when that growth will materialize. Expert opinions are also divided on the company's prospects. Some analysts are bullish on Archer Aviation's chances, while others are more skeptical. The company's recent partnerships with United Airlines and other major carriers are definitely a positive sign. This kind of backing from industry leaders can help Archer Aviation overcome some of the challenges they're facing. It also suggests that there's a strong demand for their aircraft, which could drive growth in the future. One crucial moment that could significantly impact ACHR stock is their upcoming earnings report. Investors will be watching closely to see if the company can meet their financial projections and provide guidance on their future prospects. Another key event to watch is the certification process for their aircraft. If Archer Aviation can secure regulatory approval, it could be a major catalyst for growth. The company's strategic shifts are also worth keeping an eye on. Archer Aviation has been focusing on developing their Midnight aircraft, which is designed for short-range flights. They're also exploring opportunities in the urban air mobility space, which could provide a new revenue stream. Whether or not these strategies will pay off remains to be seen. In the short term, ACHR stock is likely to remain volatile. However, if Archer Aviation can execute on their plans and make progress towards certification and production, there's definitely potential for long-term growth. Their innovative approach to eVTOL technology and partnerships with major airlines make them an attractive player in the industry. To sum it up, ACHR stock has been experiencing some turbulence due to industry trends and company-specific issues. However, Archer Aviation's innovative tech, partnerships, and strategic shifts make them a company to watch. If you've got thoughts on ACHR stock or the eVTOL industry in general, I'd love to hear them in the comments. Also, be sure to check out my other video on the future of electric flying taxis, which is definitely related to what we've been discussing here.